Welcome back to GPT Construction Masonry and Design. Just wanted to walk you around this job we finished in America River Canyon right here in Folsom. As you can see, we're cut into a hillside here. We've got a retaining wall going on in the back right behind their pool equipment. Then we erected a fireplace and 17 lineal feet of bar with a flagstone patio. We always try to use flagstone whenever we have concrete, so you know, it doesn't look like an afterthought. It just looks like you threw out a carpet right there. Turned out real nice. I'm going to walk you around this beast. This is actually a two-part job. This is the upper part of the yard by the swimming pool, and we got an outdoor kitchen down at the bottom. We used a lot of different textures here to really make this little addition to this 1980s yard pop. Now, this pool's been here for 20 years. Wood burning with gas. You can go to gas logs or use the log lighter to light your wood. We got a little seat wall to retain the little slope here. And there's our big 17 lineal feet of bar. Got the Texas cream limestone throughout to match the existing yard. Tops turned out beautiful. Again, concrete tops, acid stained and sealed. Kind of keep them looking different from concrete that you're walking on. Beautiful. Three colors on this top here. There's the fireplace, kind of, you're standing over here, and there's the pool, see? Took this empty space with a bunch of ivy and dirt coming down and just cleared it out. We brought this wall over here to kind of balance things out. Really nice. Corner built fireplace tucked in here nice. Take you down by the outdoor kitchen. You can kind of see it down the hill there. So here we are down at the outdoor kitchen. You can see the fireplace up top by the swimming pool. Full Texas cream veneer. You can see the autumn flame backsplash we threw on there. Low voltage lights throughout. And again, our beautiful concrete countertops, acid stained and sealed. 14-foot of cantilever bar down here, just beautiful. Let's check out these tops. We just swooped this thing to match the yard. That's what's nice about GPT. We come in, we follow the contours of all concrete. Look at that. Look at this swooped bar. Just beautiful. Here's these tops. Just dynamite. It turned out really good. This is what we're good at. We come in and we make everything look like it's been here. You can see the Texas cream in the background everywhere. Like I said, a 1980s, late 80s backyard here. Just came in and made this backyard current. So again, thanks for coming by the channel and checking out what we do. Everything we do here at GPT Construction is full masonry, built to last. A definite investment. There it is. Look at that. Beautiful. Picture perfect there. We are GPT Construction Masonry and Design. Remember, always say no to prefab.